Btcfdusd, is a surge in sight or another dip looming. The 60-minute candlestick chart of Btcfdusd shows the price currently hovering around 62,459.79. The stock has been fluctuating around key moving averages, including the 200-period average, with a value of 62,899.66. Volume has seen a surge during recent price drops, indicating strong selling pressure. The Bollinger Bands are contracting, suggesting reduced volatility, while the stock remains within the middle band. If the trading volume continues to decline and the stock stays below the 200 MA, it may lead to further bearish moves for Btcfdusd. The support zone lies around 61,971.86, which, if broken, could result in further downward movement. However, if Btcfdusd surpasses the resistance of 63,010.29, a bullish reversal could occur. Btcfdusd's current RSI stands at 74.11, which clearly indicates that the stock is in the overbought territory. In the past, when RSI values have surged past 70, the stock has often experienced a retracement, as witnessed earlier this month. As the RSI remains above the 70 mark, it is likely Btcfdusd may face selling pressure soon, leading to potential correction. If the RSI moves back toward 50, this would signal a potential shift to a more neutral or bearish zone for Btcfdusd. The stochastic oscillator of Btcfdusd is signaling an extremely overbought condition with a value of 98.15. Historically, Btcfdusd has corrected sharply whenever the stochastic value reaches this level, with a potential pullback toward the 50% retracement level at 61,971.86. A similar signal can be observed now, as both the stochastic and RSI suggest the stock may be due for a correction in the near term. If the oscillator trends lower, this could coincide with price consolidation. The MACD for Btcfdusd reveals a bullish momentum, with the MACD line at 72.63 crossing above the signal line at 33.13. The MACD histogram is indicating bullish strength, but given that the RSI and stochastic are both showing overbought conditions, this bullish trend might be short-lived. The divergence between the MACD and price suggests that while Btcfdusd may continue to rise for a short period, it might not be sustainable without a correction. The Bollinger Bands indicate that Btcfdusd is approaching the upper band, currently at 62,377.82. This suggests that the stock is potentially overbought and could face a pullback soon. Historically, when Btcfdusd reaches the upper band, it tends to retreat toward the middle or lower band. The price is not currently outside of the bands, but if it breaks out of the top band, a period of increased volatility is likely to follow. Fibonacci retracement levels show that Btcfdusd is fluctuating near the 38.2% retracement level of 63,010.29. Should the stock break above this, it may attempt to retest the 23.6% level at 64,295.13. Conversely, if the price faces resistance and drops below 61,971.86, the next support will be at 60,933.42, where Btcfdusd has previously rebounded from. The daily candle chart over the past year shows several high-volume days when Btcfdusd has fluctuated near significant price levels. The price peaked around 66,372.0 earlier in the year and dropped toward 57,571.72, indicating a range-bound year with strong resistance and support levels. The current volume suggests declining participation, which often precedes price corrections. Btcfdusd has been unable to break above the previous high and may face resistance if it attempts another rally. On the weekly candle chart, Btcfdusd has consistently found support around the 57,571.72 level over the past 3 years. However, the long-term resistance at 66,372.0 has remained unbroken. Volume analysis indicates that Btcfdusd sees high activity around major support levels but low volume when it attempts to break resistance, suggesting that the stock lacks the buying strength to push past its long-term barriers. General review: analyzing the technical indicators across various time frames for Btcfdusd, the stock shows signs of being overbought in the short term, as indicated by the RSI and stochastic oscillator. While the MACD suggests that bullish momentum remains, the proximity to the upper Bollinger Band and overbought RSI values indicate a likely pullback in the near future. Fibonacci retracement levels also suggest that Btcfdusd may face resistance at 63,010.29. If it fails to break past this level, a correction toward 61,971.86 is probable. The correlation between the short-term and long-term charts suggests that while Btcfdusd has the potential for upward movement, it will likely face significant resistance, and any rally may be unsustainable without strong volume.